Today we will start the practical chart for that the group C in MSc practical first year group C for that the power practicals in that the first experiment for that the group C is the SCR triggering circuit. This is the chart for that the SCR triggering circuit for that the aim to build and the study for that the SCR triggering circuit. Here in that the demo lecture we will should for that the overall SCR triggering circuit. In that the apparatus for that the SCR triggering circuit are that the CRO, DC power supply, voltmeter and that the current meter. The circuit diagram for that the SCR triggering circuit. Here that is the AC power supply for that the 50 Hz in that the primary winding and that the secondary winding connected through that the SCR and DC voltage for that the voltmeter and that the current meter. Here the current meter connected through that the pot and that the voltage for that the TPSU 13 volt. In that the observation, the first observation for that the DC voltage observed was V0. That means the V0 is the observer that the SCR to the through that the TPSU and that the wavelength of the wave Y is equal to 4.2 centimeter. In according to that the practical, here the your observation are different for that the my observation and that the triggering formula for that the triggering angle is that the x divided by y into 360, whereas the your x and your y is that the different angle for that the triggering circuit. Here the observation table. In that the observation table there shows for that the gate current Ig in the triggering angle, in that the triggering angle, whereas the x y and then that for that the degree, where DC voltage in voltmeter and that the SCR voltage for anode to cathode. Here shows for that the observation table. This is the my observation table for that the SCR triggering circuit. Here the gate current increasing by that the 0.1 or that the 0.001 for that the observation we calculate for that the 4 or 5 observation for that the experiment. In that the my first observation for that the 2.9 is that the current for milliampere and that the my x triggering angle is that the 0.2 and y is the 4.2. Here shows below for that the calculation the triggering angle for that the first 2.9 milliampere in that the x divided by into 360 degree, whereas the my x is at the 0.2 and y is the 4.2 into 360 degree over all the triggering angle in that the degree for that the 17.14 degree. Here the shows for that the 2, 3 and 4 for that the triggering angle in that the my own observation. The theory for that the SCR triggering, the triggering circuit for that the SCR turn on techniques. In normal practice, the SCR can be turned on by that the applying the positive voltage to that the gate terminal with respect to cathode. This method is safe and the accurate method turn on that the thyristor of that the desired instant time of that the SCR triggering circuit. In that the SCR triggering circuit, we have to for that the requirement. The first requirement for that the or that the must be condition satisfied. The thyristor should be in that the forward biased. The load impedance should not be the high, so the SCR is turned on. The current in that the SCR should be reached more than that the latching current. The gate should be the positive with respect to cathode. These are the different triggering circuit are used according to that the requirement and the application for that the economy and simplicity. Whereas the triggering circuit for that the First triggering is that the pulse triggering. In this method, the pulse of that the sufficient width, sufficient amplitude, and is applied to for that the gate forward SCR. In that the once the SCR is latched, no triggering pulse is required. The main advantages of these techniques is that there is no need applied to that the continuous signal or that the loss for that the pulse triggering method. The pulse are produced from that the UJT as the relaxation oscillator. Then next the DC triggering. In this type of that the triggering, a DC voltage of that the proper magnitude and the polarity is applied to gate with the respect to cathode of SCR. But it has the disadvantages that continuous DC signal has been applied to that the gate, so the more gate power is losses. Then third, the AC triggering. In this method, a AC pulse is applied to that the turn on the SCR. The pulse width is the sufficiently larger to suit for that the resistive and inductive load. This technique provide the proper isolation but between the high power load and that the control circuit, and automatically synchronous with that the AC main. For example, for that the resistive, capacitive. The requirement for that the gate driver for ACR, the amplitude of that the gate voltage Vg should be equal to that the minimum gate trigger voltage. It means the gate to the minimum gate trigger voltage, that means it is the gate voltage is less than the SCR, that cannot the turn on. The width of the gate pulses should be sufficient, that is equal to the turn on time of that the SCR, and that the anode current is rising and that the latching current. There should be the isolation between the gate and that the gate triggering circuit, so the use of the isolation and that the pulsating transformer. The resistance R2 is variable resistance, which resistance RS is the stabilizing. The resistance R1 prevents the flow of that the maximum gate current when the resistor RL is equal to that the 0. As resistance RS should generate the voltage drop which does not exceed the maximum possible gate voltage. When the value of that the resistor R2 is 0, then the resistance R1 and R2 are larger than the gate triggering circuit draw for that the small current. Here the graph shows for that the current versus voltage. Here that the SCR triggering current voltage versus, and that the second one graph is that the wave for that the SCR triggering angle Vs, Vt, and that the load current. Here the successfully for that the SCR triggering circuit is built and tested for that the demo successfully.